Howdy folks, welcome to that part of the world which we call Dreams Take Solutions. They say the camera can photograph a thought, and so it is in omegaarts.com. The site ventures into the magnificent combination of an artist or photographer and his creation, the photographs. The technologies used here are PHP, ActionScript, Flex, and of course MySQL database. Okay, time to start. As you can see, there are three main tags which have been segmented according to price ranges. Like budget is for $200 and under, mid is from $350, and so is signed. We'll choose budget and click. As always, more price value implies more facilities, more option and more fun. Next, if you just move your mouse over to the tabs, you'll be able to see a vast assortment of attributes. Like you can browse by medium, themes, style, collection, you have color photography, black and white photography, you have all artists, featured, services, and so on. We'll go into the details very soon. The attributes will be managed by the admin and to some extent by the photographer himself. Now, take a deep breath for a wonderful experience of photography coming up. Let's hop on to color photography and view by hue. If you simply move your mouse over the photographs, you'll be able to view the image secludedly. Else, if you want a more detailed view of your image, just click on More, and the image will be all before you. If the picture suits you and you'd like to have it as your own, click on to Add to my pick list, and you will be able to view the image on the left of the page. Here it is. Then if you select another one and repeat the action, the pick list will show you both the images. Thus you can view all those images which strikes your mind. If you want to see how your picture looks like when it is framed, click on this icon. You can select the wall color, that is the color of the wall on which you'd like to hang your picture. Wow, so many of them, and there's warm colors and cool colors. Let's choose a subtle shade of purple. Now, see the magic. Here too you'll be stacked with n number of colors. You'll sure have a hard time choosing your favorite one. There's misted, muted, shaded, neutral, and whites. Like if you go to misted and click and choose a color at random, for example this one, and close. Next, if you select framing components, to color fill the white portion of your image, you just need to click on any of these colors. For example, I'll pick up on yellow. Yes, and that's a short prelude on how your image is going to be a masterpiece on your wall. That's not all. You can also change the layout of your frame. For example, I'll click on this frame. See how pretty that looks. Then, if you click onto the section details, it'll give you a brief summary on what all colors, customizations and frames that you have selected. You can also select the print. The smaller one will obviously cost less and the bigger one a little more. Now, time for some buying. Click on Add to Cart and you will be able to see a quick list. For increasing the quantity of pictures, click on 1 or 2 or 3 and the total will be ready for you. Then if you check out, you'll be transferred to a page which is a sort of an online invoice. Then if you check out, you'll need to fill in your profile details right here. If you are an existing customer, you just need to sign in with your email and password. Else, log in and give way to a new experience. Now, let's turn our attention to my workplace. After signing in, you'll come to a place which is a sort of forum where artists or photographers are given permission to upload their images. This is the field to update personal information, This one is for adding a single image at a time, and this one is for adding multiple images at the same time. Pending images is when the admin will decide if your image is going to be put up on the website or not. Tag images will be when you'd like to select the attribute under which your image is gonna fall. Lastly, the site offers you an advanced form of search whereby you can specifically select what you want. For example, there's light rays, trees, still life, landscapes, waterscapes and whatnot. There's black and white photography, styles, collections, all these and several other options from where you can choose your type of photo. Well, that's about it. If you're a trained photographer or if you're not, this site is perfect for you. It's fun-filled, dynamic, happening, colorful, flexible and many more. So, what are you waiting for? Make haste and go for it. Don't think twice, cause money well spent is worth living. On that note, signing out, goodbye.